Hi everyone, it's James. I'm in my kitchen and tonight I'm making beef stroganoff. Yummy! Watch and learn. Take a look at the ingredients. I have beef steak. I got that on discount. Niwari means 20% off. I've got sliced beef for $5.72. That was also discounted. This is sliced. Sour cream. I've got fettuccine noodles. It's up to you if you have it or not. I've got flour, sliced onion, garlic, and mushrooms. And I have my soup. I made my own soup stock from consomme. In Japan, they use the word consomme, which means granule, cubes. And there's my hot water with salt. And this is my salt and pepper for tasting. I'm not going to use any cream in my recipe. Anyway, watch how I do it. So you want to slice up the meat. Don't cut your fingers. So you want to do it like this. This is how thick I like to slice my steak. I'm going to slice this up more. Or I can just leave it. Just make it smaller. You want to do this so that you don't cut your fingers. Okay, bend your fingers like this so that the knife slides down at an angle. Now to slice these mushrooms. But first I'm going to wash them. Like that. We need to get some oil. Here we go. Oil. Once the oil is hot, we can put the meat in. I'm going to put all the meat. It's dinner for four. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And set this to high. You want it to turn kind of brownish like this. The smell of beef steak. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. I'll put it inside. Don't worry about the red and pink. I'll cook it some more. This is just for now. I'm gonna try to keep the juices. Add some flavor back. I'm going to put in the garlic, onions, and mushrooms. And I'm going to add some butter. Just use my fingers. Putting in my mushrooms. We need some sauce. I'll be adding the soup stock and some more water. So I'm gonna add in some butter. I can use 1 cup of butter. I might do two of these tablespoons. It's up to you. Oh, it's going to be good. I know it's going to be good. No, you can add some salt and pepper if you want. And you know what I forgot to mention? You need this. Worcestershire sauce. I always have a problem saying that. Anyway, in Japan they call it oyster sauce, not oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Okay, anyway, you need this. I'm going to add a little bit of this later. Oh yeah, it's looking good. And now at this point, I'm going to add in some flour. Maybe this is estimation, okay? I want to thicken this. Maybe a 1/4 cup. Just give it a good mix. Just going to thicken things up. Then I'm going to add the soup stock. And I'm definitely going to add some more water. And I'm going to add this meat back. Now it doesn't matter which order you do it, okay? I could have put the meat first, then the soup stock. And I'm going to add my sour cream in a moment, but I'm going to make sure that I have enough soup stock, or I'm going to add some water. Because I have 4 mouths to feed tonight. Oh, that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add some pepper, black pepper. Go ahead and add as much as you want. I've been doing this for a while, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, you can add 1 cup of this, or in my case, I'm gonna add the whole thing because I don't want this to spoil. I don't know if I'll use this again. the sour cream. The sour cream is going to add some flavor to this. I could have, you know what? I could have added green onions. Not this time. I'm going to add some of this. As much as you like. I'm going to switch stirring thing. Get my wooden spoon. Oh yeah, it's beginning to look like it. Good. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. Stir it around, baby. Gonna cook up the meat and the vegetables. Just let everything marry for a while. I'll be back. I can add a little bit of salt. This is just regular salt. I don't want to overdo it. Oh man. Oh man. I've got a winner. The Russians really know how to cook. By the way, beef stroganoff comes from Russia. I'll be back. I'm gonna try some of this beef. Very beefy. It'll be okay. Beef and mushroom. Mmm. Fantastic. Well, that's it for making the beef stroganoff. Now, if you want to go ahead, I don't think I'm going to show you this part, cooking the fettuccine. It's just like cooking spaghetti noodles. You're going to take out the fettuccine noodles once they're cooked and set them on a plate. You're going to pour a bunch of this stroganoff all over the noodles. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit.